Om Gajnana Salakaya Chakshurmritam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Tadali Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Bande Guruvada Dandang Bhakta Vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanyam Prabhung Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Nanda Nandanahang Bande Radhika Charanadayam Gopinang Samajuktanang Brindavana Manoharam Tavaivasmi Na jivami taya binam Iti viggaya te radhe Tang nayami charanantike Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal Ki Jai. So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Guru Pad Padma Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj and my 600 Sannyas Guru Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj Srila Bhakti Rakshidhar Goswami Maharaj Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis and presently all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words. Next, I will not take too much of time. Huh? And last night you did not eat, you are hungry. If I take too much time, then you will become angry. Hungry, hungry to angry. Okay. So, here tomorrow in LA, Los Angeles, Gurudev Disappearance Day and also Nitya Vishnupada Ashtotara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj appearance day, no? So tomorrow will be also celebrated Narayan Goswami Maharaj Tirubhav Tithi and Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj Avirbhav Tithi. But unfortunately, tomorrow will not hear because tomorrow our flight very early in the morning and to proceed to Mexico City. I hope in Mexico City there will be also celebrate to Acharya's appearance and disappearance day. Anyhow, Krishna is very merciful and Krishna is very wonderful. Vaishnavir Avirbhav tirobhav vedimatra kahe. Those who are the pure devotee of Lord, their appearance and disappearance that in Vedas also explain. Because those who are a pure devotee of Lord, they are always with us. No appearance or no disappearance. According our angle of vision, we are looking the sun rises and sunset. But sun is always shining. Now here is daytime. If you go India now, night time. Here we are looking very nice, beautiful. Sun rises. This way. Or if you now you will go to India, completely what? Dark. But sun is always shining. So just we also use this word, the Uday Asta. Rise and set. This is that Uday or Asta. In the same way, Suddha Bhakta, Guru and Vaishnava always with us. Just to try to realize. So always I am using this word that is called self-realization is the best realization. That is called Atma Anubhati. So one Acharya's disappearance day, another Acharya appearance day. So sun rises and sun sets. Nice. They are coming in this material world according to the instruction of Lord, and again they return back, the transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, according to the instruction of Lord. Ishar Ichha Ayan Asen or Ichha Ishar Jar. Understand? According to the desire of Lord, they are coming from Golok Vrindavan and giving mercy to all the living entities. Then according to the desire of Lord, also departed from this material world. These are things. So Guru and Vaishnavas, they are very merciful. And so at a time we also feeling two things: separation and meeting, and meeting and separation. No vina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute yatha ramite kosayate vastra. Without separation, your meeting would be not realizable. Understand? Separation. So in this way, Guru and Vaishnavas, they are coming and also return back their transcendental world, service to their Swamini, Srimati Radhika. Both also are giving mercy to us. Because today we can also remember their mercy and kripa. And why they are coming from Golok Vrindavan in this material world? And Guru and Vaishnava. Why?
To deliver the living beings.
Huh?
To deliver the living beings scorched by the blazing forest fire of material existence.
They are coming from Golok Vrindavan to deliver to all the living entities from this material world. Not other reason. And according to Virad Bhagavatamritam, Sanatana Goswami very nicely explained. Srimati Radhika, she direct gave order to Gopkumar. Hey Gopkumar, you have to go material world and also bring your disciple, what is his name? Jana Sarma, Mathur Brahmana. This is the reason. Virad Bhagavatam said in this way. Even Gopkumar, he told his own life history. Gopkumar's guru's name?
Jayanta.
Jayanta. Lord himself appeared in the form of Jayanta. And he gave mercy to Jayanta, Gopkumar. So main reason is there. Guru and Vaishnava, they are very merciful. They are coming in this matter to give blessing to us. Guru Kripahi Kevalam. In their transcendental world, in their transcendental constant form, always they servicing their Ishta Devi, Srimati Radhika. And they also teaching to us, conditioned soul, how to perform bhajan and sadhana. For this regard, they are acting the role as like a sadhak. Actually, they are called Siddha. Siddha, understand? And so for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad explained in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena, Chatra. Tad bhava lipsuna, braja loko anusarato. Sadhaka Rupena. According to the sadhak form, they are chanting holy names, following all the rules and regulations of the scriptures, and teaching to us and how to enter in Suddha Bhakti as our Rup Sanatan, 6 Goswamis. They are called Nitya Siddha Parikar, eternal associates of Radha and Krishna. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, etc. But they used to come in this material world and teaching to us how an ordinary sadhak perform bhajan and sadhana. Because Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, Jat jadachari seshta tat tat evetara jana sajat pavanam kurute lokos tat anuvartate. You know the verse or not? No. Which verse do you know? You know? Who knows? You know? Gita. Everybody learn Gita. Jad jadachariti seshta tat tat evetara jana sajat pavanam kurute lokos tat anuvartate. Jat jad jadachariti.
Whatever example? Is it the verse?
Huh?
Is that the verse? Whatever example of a great man?
Great man.
Yeah.
The great man, what is the what he is doing? Then his followers are doing same thing. Lokanusar. So saying this, Jad jadachati seshta tat tat evit rajana. Sajat pranam kurute lokastad anuvartate. Look this. Who is the topmost great person? Krishna. Krishna, what is he doing? He is completely surrendered to the feet of Srimati Radhika. He completely, absolutely surrendered lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. He is a great person, but completely surrendered lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And Krishna says, Radhikar prem guru ami sishya not. Tahar preme amai nachai udvat. Srimati Radhika, she is my prema guru. Krishna says this verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Srimati Radhika, she makes me dance with her love. Srimati Radhika says, hey Krishna, sit down. Krishna is sitting. Krishna, stand up. He's stand up. This is your Torah. So Krishna is called the great person. So Krishna, what is doing? We also doing this way. But everything we should not do follow Krishna's activities.
Stealing butter. Stealing butter.
Krishna, what is he doing? Krishna, he performed Ras dance. We should not perform Ras dance. But Sham Lila is reserved for him. You understand? What do you understand?
We should follow Krishna's example but not imitate
not imitate. Some these things also, Krishna, his own, what is it called? Reserved for himself. Krishna performed Ras Leela. So people will think, oh, Krishna is a great person. So Krishna, he performs the Ras Leela, also he do Ras Leela. Why not? Well, no. You cannot do this. Naichat samachare jatu manasapi janissara. Very important this sloka also. Naitat samachare jatu manasapi janissara. Vinasyati acharan muda. Jatha Rudra Obdija Visham. Rudra means Shivji. Shivji, he drank lot of poison. When devatas and asuras, they churned the ocean, then poison coming. Who will drink the poison? All demigods, all they ran away. Then Lord Shiva, he drank all the poison and kept poison in his throat. For this regard, Lord Shiva's name is called Neelakantha. Neelakantha Mahadevi ki. In the same way, so you should not imitate Lord Ras Leela. So for this guy is saying this way, some Krishna Leela that is called reserved for it. Reserved, you know? That Leela is reserved for him. If you think, oh, Krishna, he performed Ras Leela with the gopis, so we will also perform Ras Leela. But you know, for this verse is saying, Naitat samachare jatu manasabhijan inissa. Even don't you think in your mind about this Ras Leela to perform with the gopis. Otherwise big problem will come. So just I also explain this way. Krishna completely surrendered lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So our duty is also this way. How we will completely surrender lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Manjari Bhav means this way. What is the meaning of the Manjaris? Those Sakhis are completely one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Vrindavan Mahimamrita Grantha very nicely explained this way. 5 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Priya Sakhi and Prana Priya, Prama Param Prishta Sakhis. So Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, their mood is called Manjaris. Understand? And they always were one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Even their dream never think they will meet with Krishna independent. You look at this. Sapanam Opi. They are always one pointed with Srimati Radhika. This is very important. So that is called Radha Paksha Gopis. What are called? Radha Paksha Gopis. And one pointed Srimati Radhika. So that means 3 types of gopis also Srimati Radhika again. 3 types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. One is called Krishna Paksha Gopis. Some gopis, they also incline towards Krishna. That is called Krishna Paksha Gopi. Who are they? Brinda, Brindarika, Dhanishta. They are called Krishna Paksha Gopi. Remember. their mood inclined towards Krishna. Or some gopis, they are called Ubhay Paksha. Ubhay Paksha means both. Radha and Krishna. That is called Lita, Visakha. They are called Ubhay Paksha gopis. Understand? Both sides. That big. Radha and Krishna. Or third, that is called Radha Paksha gopi. Their mind always inclined to Srimati Radhika. Radha meri Samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहिदियो वृंदावन को वास. ब्रजवासी दिया सिंह. राधा मेरी सामिनी, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहिदियो वृंदावन को वास. And hey Srimati Radhika, give me blessing. Life after life, birth after birth. And we want pointed your maid servant. And you are our mistress. So Radha meri Samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहिदियो वृंदावन को वास. राधा पक्ष. अनारद्ध राधा पदाम्बुज रेणु, अनाश्रित बिंद अटवी तत्पदांका, असंभाष्य तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तान, कुतश्याम सिंधु रससावगाह. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse, very nice sweet verse. And if you want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika, Radha Dasam, just follow the three principles. How many? Three. What is that? One, pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha meri sam. Sorry. Or second, always stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan. But which place of Vrindavan will we stay? Where will we stay in Vrindavan? Radha Adhipatta Vrindavan Basang Mamastu me. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Bhat very clearly. Radha Adhipatta. The Vrindavan, that place, completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika. So saying Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam Basam Mamastu me. You understand? Where would say Vrindavan? What did he say? Radha Adhipattam. Adhipattam means completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika, that place. Which place? Which place is completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika? Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda. Those who are only Radha Paksha gopis, they can go that place. Not so easy to. Yogamaya, stop to them, those who are not inclined to Srimati Radhika. Radha Kunda. For this, Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained. Vaikunthar Janito Vara Madhupari Tatrapi Ratsotsava Vindaranna Madaravan Sarvi Govardhana. Radha Kunda Api Gokulapate Premamrita Plavanat Kurjadasya Virajdo Gritate Sevagam Viveki na Ka. A nice beautiful sloka. Radha Kunda. Actually, our aim and object this way. So for the saying Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Radha Kunda Chintamani Mai Radha Kunda Tata Tahi Kunja Sata Sata Prabalo Buddhidruma Mayatoru Lata Mukta Phali Avanata Mukta Phali Avanata मुक्ता फले अवनत ताहि कुंज सत सत. Very nice video. So Radha Kunda, topmost place. Because Radha Kunda is none different from Srimati Radhika. Sometimes Jatila Kutila, they may come in the place of Surya Kunda, maybe Giriraj Govardhan. But Radha Kunda, no one can go there. Even Chandravali's party. Understand? Even Chandravali, she can't go Radha Kunda. So topmost place. So maybe your question will come. In Vrindavan, which place I will not go? Which place will not go?
Go to that place where Chandravali lives.
And that place with a Chandravali's place. That is called Sakhistali. What place? Sakhistali. Sakhistali means the place of Chandravali. If you go to the place of Sakhistali, Chandravali, then Srimati Radhika reject you. So very carefully. You can stay in Vrindavan, everywhere, but one particular place don't go. Which place? The place of Chandravali. Who will go? Raise one hand. No one.
She's looking. Or raise the hand and go.
Pardon?
Srimati Radhika is looking. Someone raise the hand and go.
So now coming in this way. So one pointed to Srimati Radhika, second, always stay in Vrindavan, or third, always associate high class, exalted Brajarasik, Sadhu and Guru. And listen Braj Kathamritam. This is the Braj. Vedi Anaradharada Padam Bujarenu Anasrita Binda Atavi Tat Padankam Asambhasa Tadabhava Gambira Chittan Kutasam Sindhu Rasashabagaho. If you want to march in haste, Samaras means that is called the conjugal mellows. So you have to follow these three principles and associate high class exalted devotee of Srimati Radhika and listen sweet amorous pastimes of Radha and Krishna. It's very simple. So learn this verse. Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atavi Tat Padankam Asambhasa Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan Kutasam Sindhu Rasasavagaho. Here is Samrash. Samrash means conjugal mellows. Conjugal mellows. Very nice, beautiful. So now coming in this way.
What is the Gambhir? You said Gambhir in this verse is word Gambhir?
Tadbhava Gambhira Chittan. One's heart completely deep. To enter in the sweet mellows of Srimati Radhika.
Gambhir Chitta.
Gambhira Chitta.
Gambhira Chitta.
Gambhira Chitta.
That's it.
Deep heart.
Deep heart.
And I like Gambhira.
Yes. Gambhira Chitta.
Srimati Radhika is one. So just I also explain this way. So sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena, just I also. In sadhaka rupas, our Goswamis, they chanted holy names, Sankapurvaka Nama Gananativi, and every day chanting fixed round, holy names, fixed round chanting holy names. Glorify pastimes of Krishna, sometimes they write Grantha, Jalin Mani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Vidagdha Madha, Lalit Madha, all our Goswami, Sanatana Vijay, he wrote Brihad Bhagavatamrita Grantha. Jiva Goswami Pad, he wrote 6 Sandarbhas. That's different Goswamis, they absorb this way. So sadhaka rupa. Or siddha rupena, according to their transcendental conscious form, always servicing divine Guru Radha and Krishna. Understand it? That is called always they absorb in Ashtakali Leela. So two kinds of our upasana. One is called Mantramai upasana, or another is called Sarasiki upasana. Sarasiki upasana very high level. And always remembering the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, Ashtakali Leela. From morning to evening, evening to morning. Nishanta Leela. Then Pratakali Leela. Nishanta means end of night. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Bhajan Rasa explained by step by step. And 8 slokas, 6 ashtak, 8 verses. And he also explained 8 and
fractions of the day or parts of the day.
part of the days and night. It's very nice. If you read Bhajan Rasa Grantha, then your heart will be overjoyed. Gurudev, he manifested this Grantha. Many times he gave Bhajan Rasa Grantha. Many times he gave class about Bhajan Rasa Grantha in Mathura. Many times. And then the Grantha manifested. Very nice, beautiful Grantha. You read or not? Read Bhajan Rasa Grantha. What Grantha? Bhajan Rasa. And another Grantha, Madhurya Kadambini. Tattva Siddhanta philosophy is there. True Grantha, Gurudev, true Grantha. Very important, you have to read. One is called Tattva Siddhanta Grantha, that is called Madhurya Kadambini. Vishwanath Chakravarti is and Rasanadhurya Grantha is Bhajan Rasa Grantha. This is very important. So sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena. Ashtakali Leela also explained this way. So just as I explained, two kinds of our sadhana bhajan. One is called Mantramay Upasana, another is called Sarasiki Upasana. Sarasiki Upasana for those who are high class, exalted devotee of Lord. Uttam Uttamaha Bhagavat. Day and night they also absorb and Radha Krishna's Leela. Understand? Mane mani siddhadya koriya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishna karahi sevan. Mahaprabhu told to Raghunath Das Goswami. Day and night remember Radha and Krishna's sweet pastimes. Radha Krishna Mane mane siddhadya, one who realized his own transcendental constitution form, siddhadya. Then he is siddhadya, always remembering, servicing, divine Radha and Krishna. So saying, mane mane siddhadya koriya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishna karahi seva. Day and night servicing Radha and Krishna. So this is called siddha rup. Siddha sarup. Transcendental concept. Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari, and serves to Srimati Radhika. Raghunath Das Goswami called which one? Rati Manjari. Sanatana Goswami, Labanga Manjari. And at a time they are servicing to Srimati Radhika. Raghunath Das Goswami very humble. He say, Sirupa Manjari Karar Chitapad Padmo Goshtandana Bhajar Vitamastakaya Ha Mudata Kanaka Gori Padar Vindam Sanavayani Sanakistava Kim Karishya. Nice look. You learn verse or not? Who learn? You learn?
Yes, not this one.
This is very important. Everyone learn. Sirupa Manjari Karar Chitapad Padmo Goshtandana Bhajar Vitamastakaya Ha Mudata Kanaka Gori Padar Vindam Sanabhayani Sanakaistava Kim Karishya. This
Verse 1.
Bishop Bilap Kusumanjali slokas. This hankering to how to serve Srimati Radhika. Look this. What is it? Sirupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padma Goshtandana Bhujarpita Srimati Goshtandra Bhujarpita श्रीमस्तकाय हा मुदुत कनक गौरी पदारविंद सनभयानी सनक स्तव किम करिष्ये है सेवा है तदावजुस्तव विना वरदासमेव नन्नात् कदापि समय किल देवी जाचे सखाय मम नमस्तु नमस्तु नित्यं दस्सायते मम रसस्तु सत्यम Raghunath Das Goswami, very humble and praying to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Yes, Srimati Radhika, if you pleased with me, give these types of blessing. Then Srimati Radhika told, okay, I am very pleased with your austerities. And I am giving the position of Lalita Vishakha. Raghunath Das Goswami, no, hey Srimati Radhika, I don't want the position of Lalita Vishakha. So what do you want? Then Dassayatma namastu namastu. I want to become your maid servant. Kinkari. So this is hankering this. How to solve. And Seva Vritti. So now coming in this way, sadhak rupena, or sadhak rup, mantramaya upasana, chanting mantra, one slokas, understand? Chanting one slokas, and remembering this. So need two kinds of upasana, sadhak rupena or Siddha Rupena. Or under Mantramaya Upasana and Sarushiki Upasana. According to Ras, mellows. You can serve those who are Sakha Bhav, they worship to Krishna under guidance of Subal Siddham. They are Sakha Bhav, service in Krishna. Are those who are devotee of Vatsalya, they serve to Krishna under guidance of Nanda Jasoda. Are those who are devotee of Madhurya Ras, they serve to Radha and Krishna under guidance of Manjari, Sakhi. This is the process. So, two kinds of sadhaka rupena or Siddha Rupa. Sadhak group, very important also. Every day chant holy names. Without chanting holy names, you will not attain your perfection goal. Sankha Prabhaka Nama. Our Goswami, every day chanted 64 rounds. Sometimes they write in Grantha, Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro Premam Mritam Nidhi Dhira Adhira Janam Paro Nipriya Manasaro Pujito Sri Chaitanya Kripa Bharo Bhubhi Bharavanta Karo Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Sriji Jiva Gopalako Nana Sastra Vicharane Kanipuno Sadharma Samsthapako Lokanam Hitakarino Tribhuvane Mano Sarana Karo Radha Krishna Padar Vinda Bhajana Anande Namattaliko Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Sri Jiva Gopalako Sri Gauranga Gunana Varna Vidho Shraddha Sam हृदान्वितो पापोतापन्तुतो तनुभृतां गोविन्दागणामृतैः आनन्दं बुद्धिवर्धनैकनिपुणो कैवल्यनिस्तारको वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको तप्तातूर्णम् अशेषमण्डलपते श्रेणीं सदा तुच्छव भूतादीनगणेश को करुणया कोऽपि न कन्ताश्रितो गोपीभावरसामृताभिलहरी कल्लोलमग्नोर्मुहुः वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको कुजितकोकिलहंससारसगणा कीर्णे मयूराकुले नानारत्ननिबद्धमूलपिटप श्रीयुक्तवृन्दावने राधा कृष्ण हर्निशाम्बुदतो जीवार्थजो मुदा वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको शङ्खापूर्वकनामगाननतिवे कालावसाने कृतो नेत्राहार विहार कादिविचिन्तो सत्तन्तो दिनो जचो राधा कृष्ण गुणस्मृते मधुरिमा कान्देन सम्मोहितो वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको राधाकुण्डतटे कलिन्दतनया तीरे च वंशीवटे प्रेमोत्तादवसादशीषया वस्तु प्रमत्तौ सदा गायन्तु च कदा हरेर्गुणानुवरं भावाभिभूतो मुदा वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको राधे ब्रजदेवी के चललिते हे नंद सुनो कुता घोषस्वर्धनकल्पपादपत्तले कालिन्दी वने कुतः घोषान्ताभिति सर्वतो ब्रजपुरे खेदै महाविहल्लो वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीवगोपालको Goswami, House of Goswami, 6 Goswamis. They perform bhajan in sadhana Vrindavan. Sadhaka rupe and siddha rupe. Then sadhaka rupe kari nam sankirtan. In the sadhaka form, chanting holy names, writing grantha. or Siddha Rupe in their transcendental constitutional form, Siddha Deva. Service into Srimati Radhika, Radha Krishna Seva. I will not on Das Thakur saying, anchoring this way. Radha Krishna Prana Moro Jugala Kishora Jivane Marane Goti Aranahi Moro Kalindera Kule Keri Kadambe Ravana Atana Vedira Upa Vasavodujan Gori Ange Divachua Chandane Raganda Maradulava Kabe Heriva Yamaloti Mala Divodhu Margale Adhare Tuliya Divo Korpura Tambu Abhishaka Agaya Koriva Siva Charana Ravindra Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Dasera Nuda Sevayo Dikara Mage Narottamada Radha Krishna Prana Jugala Kishora Marane Gati Aranahi Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Radhe Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda This is called Siddhi Lalsa. Lalsa means longing. Longing. How to get these types of service to divine Guru Radha and Krishna. Jai Jai Sri Ram. And sometimes Vipralamba Bhav and sometimes meeting. Viraha and Milan. Love means this way. Love, what is the meaning of love? Two things. Meeting and separation. Separation and meeting.
And quarrel.
And quarrel.
Not so much.
Not so much quarrel.
Prema Kalaha?
That is called Prema Kala. That is another thing. Meeting and separation. Separation and meeting. There is one coin, two sides. Both are same value or not? $1. Coin, $1 or not? to one side, what is written? What is the coin?
Meeting.
Eh?
Meeting. Okay.
One side meeting and another side
Separation.
separation. Separation, meeting, separation. Without separation, meeting is not realizable. No bina vipralambe no samboga pushti masimati. As like that white cloth, if you put in the
Dye.
yeah.
Put in the bucket of dye. Put in the
Color, and then that will be a more delightfulness will come. For this year Jogmaya, she arranged this way, meeting and separation and meeting. And sometimes Krishna used to go herding the cows. Then gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And then gopis also come in Surya Kunda, just pretending to worship sun god, Surya Puja Achale. And they are meeting with Krishna, very nice. Doing Leela, they are going, Surya Kunda Leela. And then after 4 o'clock, then Krishna returned back to Nandagaon, or Srimati Radhika and Gopis, they returned back to Jawat. And again they also very eager to have to serve to Krishna. And taking bath, these things, and going to Nandagaon, and cooking for Krishna, and feeding this, many delights going on this. So meeting and separation and meeting. This is the nature. And always you will meeting, that is not good. Or always you separate, also not good. So saying meeting, separation, meeting. Good or not? And love means this way. And those who are the married ladies, they are staying wife and husband. Are those who are paramount mood, they are always feeling separation from Krishna. And they are eager to how to meet with Krishna. Parabhyasini nari bhagrapi griha karmasu asiddhanta navasangara sayanam. The married lady, she is servicing her house very nicely, but always her mind is how to meet with Krishna, as like gopis. The gopis, they married, married or unmarried or unmarried? Different. Some gopis married, some gopis also unmarried. That is called Kannaka. Kannaka, how do you say? Kannaka. Kannaka means virgin. So those gopis married, they are always thinking how to meet with Krishna. They perform their household duties very nicely. No one can know they love to Krishna. So, parabhyasini nari bhagrapi griha karmasu. But their mind always absorbed how to meet with Krishna. Gopis, they also perform their household duties. They are cooking and cleaning their courtiers and fatting the cow dung, milking cows, everything they are doing. But their mind always absorbed with Krishna. Jaduhane abhanane matana pralepa premchai chanarvarudito chanamarjanado gayanti chainun rakta dhyavostru kantha dhanna vrajastriyo urukrama chitta jana. When they are milking cows, they remember to Krishna. When they do what they are doing, always remember. Srimati Radhika, she is cooking in her house, but she remembers Krishna. When she remembered to Krishna, then her heart completely melted and tears flowing down. In the meantime, Jatila or Kutila came. Hey, why you are crying? Why you are shedding tears? You remember to whom? Why you are crying? Then Srimati Radhika, she is very clever. Put some water in the wood. Understand? So she is saying, oh, this wood is not dry. So for this regard, smoke coming. So for this regard, my
Eyes are watering.
as watering. So coming. This is like that. Because no one knows. She loves to Krishna. Look this. So this is like that. So very nice, beautiful the pastimes also. And sometimes she is saying, oh, water is not here. So I have to go Jamuna fetching water. Then Srimati Radhika, she goes to Jamuna to fetching water with her Sakhis. Then meeting with Krishna in there. I mean, Leela is going on this. Sometimes meeting, sometimes separation. So this is called Leela is going on. Meeting and separation. Jogman she arranged this way. And if you, because what is the difference between Sakya and Parakya? Sakya, understand, those who are married lady staying with their husband, that is called Sakya. As like Rukmini, Satyabhama in Dwarkapuri. They are called Sakya. Our Braj Gopis, they are called Parakya. Parabul Staying, too much staying with a person, then automatically nature will come to see faults. This is the nature. These are two wrong. When wife and staying together, too much staying together means they are looking to each other's fault. Even not faults, also finding the fault. Somehow we find the fault. These are two wrong.
27 years, true.
So, Parakrita Bhav, Paramal mood, this way. Paramal mood, they are always hankari. They have no time to look the faults. They are the eagerness. Because where is the obstacles, automatically eagerness will come. So Parakya Bhav means this is four things are there. What are the four things? Bammata, Nivaranata, Prachanna Kamukata, and Durlavata. Remember, four things. Bammata means left wings mood will come, Bamma Bhav. Nivaranata means they are superiors, they will stop to them. Hey, night time, where are you going? This thing also. They stop to them, gopis, they stop to where? Their husband, their parents or sisters. They are Nivaranata. Our Prachanna Kamata, they are all their love and affection towards Krishna. This is a hidden way, they are not showing to others. Understand? That is called Prachanna. Prachanna means your cover. They are love. They are not showing to anyone. They love to Krishna. If anyone asks to Srimati Radhika or Gopis, hey, do you love Krishna? Krishna? How possible love? He is stupid, nonsenseless. Understand? Gopi, they will not tell. Oh, I love Understand? But they are love towards Krishna in their heart. Or, what is it? Durlabhata. Durlabhata means not easy to meet with Krishna. Kabu mile, kabu na mile, dai vere ghatan. Very rare. Very rare. Durlabh means very rare. Kabu mile, kabu na mile. Sometimes they meet with Krishna, sometimes not. Sometimes Krishna says, okay, today I am going herding to the cows, this place. But something, a Jogmaya happened, the Krishna did not go that place. Then gopis, they become very upset. They had to run. Look this. So saying, kabu mile, kabu na mile, dai vere ghatan. Amiyo na jane gopigon, duhar rupe gune, duhar hare mor mon. Krishna says, I don't know which these gopis or who am I. Just they are meeting together and with their beauty, with their activity. So saying, kabu mile, kabu na mile, ye amiyo na jane gopigon, duhar rupe gune, duhar hare mor mon. This is the Leela going on this. So Durlabhata. There are no necessary every day Krishna meet with the gopis. Understand? That's what is Durlabha, very, very rare. Sometimes Krishna, he goes to herding to Talban, Madhuban. But gopis, they went in another way. They searched and they could not find out. Then they returned back. Jogmaya in this way, arrange this way. Because then your hankaring will come more and more. Utkantha. Utkantha means?
Longing. Longing.
Eagerness will come.
Eagerness. Eagerness? Eager.
If anything is very easy to get, you cannot know the value of that things. Water is coming. So not value. In your bathroom, taking shower, how many liters water you are using. Or if the same water is not coming 3 days, 4 days, and very, what is called? Precious. Then what to do? Maybe one drop of water, just take Achman, okay, Understand? So just to explain this.
Question? Could you explain in this Leela, if there's a duty, is there duty there? It can't go and say, hey, wait a minute. There's in this Leela where Krishna is going one way, they're thinking they're going the other way. There's no messenger in between and say, hey,
Jogmaya here. If the messenger will come, if they meet together, so Leela will not come. So Leela Shakti is doing.
So
sometimes
have to be separated.
This is called.
There's some correction, no? There's no Leela where there's correction there? The duties don't have any seva there? No seva for that?
Dutis, messengers.
Yes.
Sometimes they cannot find out what to do.
Yogamaya makes.
Jogmaya si arrange this. So saying Jogmaya koribek apono prabhavi. Jogmaya si arrange this. If always meeting, so there is not value will come. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And one other question. In that verse you said Mohan Mohini. In that one verse you explained. Did you
When?
do that? This Moha, the last verse ends with Moha Mohini. I missed the. I thought it said this bewilders Krishna. You said sometimes Krishna, he is thinking that there's no difference between him and you were saying that there's in the process of meeting with the gopis, Krishna becomes maybe bewildered where he doesn't see a separation between him.
ও কভু মিলে কভু না মিলে দৈবের ঘটন। And sometimes they meeting together, sometimes not. Everything depends on his Jogmaya. Jogmaya she arranged this way. And Jogmaya she performed this lila. If they every day meeting to Krishna, and so there is no, what is called, Utkanta will not come. Utkanta, no eagerness will come. So for the road Jogmaya she arranged this also. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Now 9:45. Okay, now take prasadam and little bit go walk. Then again come back. Then again, what time of program here? 4 o'clock. Okay.
No, I think Bhajan started at 4.
Huh?
I think Bhajan's at 4.
4 o'clock start.
Bhajan started Bhajan.
Okay.
So we're not sure how many people will come. Some are coming all the way from San Diego.
They are coming.
130 miles, 140 miles, some coming. Some coming all the way from Palm Springs, 140 miles.
Okay.
So we're not sure, maybe they won't be exactly on time, 4 o'clock.
Okay, no problem. What is your?
Yes, Maharaj, I have a question about us Nitya Badas. We've been in Vipralamba since Anadi. You know, time immemorial, Jiva fall from Tatastha Shakti or come from Tatastha Shakti under Mahamaya for Mahakalpa. You know, Vipralamba, very long time. It feels like very big punishment for one mistake, you know. So why we get punished as Nityabada, time immemorial Anadi, Mahakalpa?
Why?
Mahakalpa.
Because you did not turn face towards Krishna.
One mistake.
One mistake is your one mistake means this is your mistake. One mistake is
Krishna Kripa.
you are walking. One mistake is just what is called sleep one time. Then you're going down. What to do?
Like the mustard seed on the
You are walking on the top of the mountain. So one mistake or not two mistakes. If you say, well, one mistake, why do you put down here? You cannot say this word.
The whole mountain gone.
But in answer to his question, the jiva actually doesn't have vipralamba from that flow. We are not that form of vipralamba. You can't have vipralamba unless you've had, you see, so you can't have vipralamba if you haven't had meeting. So the jiva doesn't have vipralamba.
So for us it's even
What is
worse.
called something else.
I try to understand. According our condition stage, you are saying this. Jivaji is what? When sun rises, is when sun, then the rays coming. In the same way, when Krishna, that time all we are also there. Because all we are, all the soul, that is called there. And Krishna's Tasya Shakti. All we are the part and parcel of Lord also. This is true. Mami Vamsa Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanam. Because this is transcendental things, just in our material words we cannot express. When we also, what is called, turn our face from Krishna to Maya. When? What is the historical time? 2024, 2025.
What's the date?
There are no date. Anadi. So what is Anadi? Bahirmukh. Say use this word. Anadi Bahirmukh. Krishna is also Anadi. Without beginning. Krishna fully say Jeev. What is saying this word? Anadi Bahirmukh. Atep Maya Tare Dai Samsara Didu. Here Anadi means there are no any historical time. Understand? When Krishna, that time will be there. Our duty to serve to Krishna. So the Krishna fully say Jeev, Anadi Bahirmukh, Ate Maya Dar Sansari Duk. These are things.
So you're saying it is, then we can actually technically say that Antapa because we belong to Krishna and we're not seeing Krishna, even the Bhadra Jiva can experience some Vipralamba.
Always try to know what is meaning of Baddha. Who is Baddha? Who bonded? You understand? Your Atma bonded, what is called? Bound or not?
No.
You don't know, just you are saying.
I see. Very nice. Mm-hmm.
Understand?
Yes.
You are bound or not? This the Mayasi creates these things. Try to understand Maya Devi is her duty is this. Always Bhaktivinoda Thakur very clearly explained in Jaiva Dharma. Maya Devi is two kinds of activities. One is called Avaran Atmika, another is called Vikshev Atmika. Avaran means cover. Those jivas not turn face to Krishna. That those jivas turn face to the Maya. Then Maya Devi grabbed and catch it. Then Maya down now two kinds of activities. One is called cover. Now covered with. Understand? As like one cat is here and covered with the box. But that cat not touch the box inside. And when sitting in the, you are sitting or not? That is sitting here. It's not in the same way, those jivas turn their face to Maya. Then Maya Devi grabbed. Pisachi pailiyan matichanna hoy. Mayabadha jive se bhav uday. Maya Devi grabbed. And then Maya Devi covered our gross body and subtle body. These are things. Jayavadham read very carefully, explain this. How jiva is it? Understand? Then Maya Devi another duty. Second duty is what is her?
Row.
So very nicely packaged. You know, package? Christmas package. If you are any nice gift coming, that gift also very nice package. So Maya Devi she also had packaged to you. Covering very nice cover, hard cover. Understand? Two cover. One is called subtle body, another is called gross body. Then package very nicely. And also tied with the three ropes. Sattva, Rajatama, Guna. Then Maya Devi throw in this metal. Chalo, out. And come in this area. This is the Maya duty. So this is called Maya Vikshev Atmika Vritti. Vikshev means through throw. So now we are coming in this material world. And Maya Devi she gave us many kinds of also false egos. Mitha Abhiman, Jad Abhiman. I am man, I am an woman, I am learned, I am a scholar, I am American, I am Indian, I am Brazilian, I am many kinds of it. Actually, who am I? I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Jive Swarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das. Jive Krishna Saraswati Vedabhid Prakash. This is our real identity. We are the servant of Krishna. So saying this, Jive Swarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das, Krishna Saraswati Vedabhid Prakash. Ved and Aved, not different from Krishna, are different from Krishna. Ved and Aved. This is the Tattva Siddhanta, this thing. Actually, so far this regard, there are many examples as given in Jaiva Dharma. As the big fire and the small spark of the fire. But same quality is inside there. Dharma is same in there. Big fire can burn everything. And small the spark also fire everything. If touch with the if touch the petrol or something, the big fire. In the same way, Jiva's dharma is there, serve to Krishna. Seva dharma. Understand? Krishna is servicing or not? Krishna is a great servitor Huh? Krishna, he serves to whom? Srimati Radhika. So our nature also is to serve. Huh? Our nature also serve to Srimati Radhika also. Why not? Huh? Those who are manjaris, their nature to serve to Srimati Radhika. Already I started this point. Jad jadacharit jad jadati sashta tatta ivetara jana sajat pavanam kurute lokastad anuvartate. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Krishna is the great person. Krishna serves to whom? Srimati Radhika. Understand? Holding lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, cleaning Srimati Radhika's lotus feet, putting, what is it called? Altar. Krishna is doing or not? Krishna is teaching to us also. Okay, look, I am servicing the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Bilab Kusmanjal, very nicely explained this. Decorating, and here these things. What is called? What is called? Singarvat. Srimati Radhika. Krishna very nicely decorates Srimati Radhika's braid. Krishna, Srimati Radhika is saying, hey Krishna, you also made very nice, beautiful, soft bed for me. Krishna also doing this way. Because Srimati Radhika, that time she is called Sadhin Bhartika Naika. What do you say? Sadhin Bhartika Naika. Or that time Krishna, he is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Actually Krishna origin from that is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Or Srimati Radhika origin mood, that is called Sadhin Bhartika Naika. All your servicing, our duty is to serve to Srimati Radhika. So Krishna, just to think, Krishna, he is teaching to us. Oh, I am serving to Srimati Radhika. So you have to serve. Seva. You understand? So,
yes, we're sparks emanating from the fire. The Jivatma lacks chit shakti. No chit shakti. Chit bal. Yeah, and chapter 16 of Jaiva Dharma, we don't have chit bal, so we can't make mistake. And now
you have no, they are not using this word. You have, but very tiny.
Very tiny.
So why are you saying they're not?
Yeah, very tiny.
Zero is not. Point is starting not from zero.
But very small.
Very small. They are
Very
saying
weak.
because this is always don't take the negative. Understand? People are taking start from negative. Or from Guru Maharaj saying, you cannot establish anything from the negative. Everything is coming from a positive. You understand this? But the people, they are less intelligent, they start from negative. Why are you taking negative?
Muda. Muda. Dukkha Muda.
Nothing, there is zero. That is called Buddhism. What is your English word?
Buddhism.
Nihilism.
Nihilism. Everything is pointless.
Everything have this should be coming this way. So don't go Buddhism.
No zero.
Huh?
No zero.
Buddhism means everything is zero. Or same impartialism also saying also same thing. That Prachanna Buddhavad. Just they explain the Brahma. But what is Brahma? Nirakar, Nirvises. Start this. Also for this regard, Mayavadam asasatram Prachanna Buddha uchyate. Mayavad philosophy actually hidden Buddhism. Is Jaiva written or not? So I am saying these things. We have everything. Have. Not have. You have. What is have? Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Saddha Prabhu Noy Savanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. You have everything. But that is very minute. Very minute. And as there is a fire inside the wood or not? Simply, Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Fire inside the wood. But that fire can't to burn this wood. But when the outside wood fire will come and connect, that time that wood will be burned. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
You have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobhu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. Uday means a manifest. You have. But that is very many. This is the thing. And so this is Chit Sakti. Chidbal will come. You have this. That is. And because Jiva is called Anu Chaitanya, Lord is called Brihat Chaitanya. Chaitanya. Chaitanya means is what? Conscious being. Lord he is called Great Conscious Being. Brihat Chaitanya. Jiva is called? As I give an example, Bhaktivinoda Thakur give example Jaiva Dharma. Brihat Agni and Agni Spulinga. Big fire. Or spark. These are the things. If you know spark, what you got? Negative, nothing comes. Chidbal coming. Where is there? Suddha Sattva Vishayatma Prema Suddham Sambhavako. Ruchi Vichitta Smarsana Kidasu Bhava Uchyate. On the platform of Sandhini. Then Sambhit and Hladini will come. Then it will manifest. Huh? This is Tattva Siddhanta. Some people, Panditas, they also the same word in Sanskrit. And opposite way, giving the meaning. Huh? Understand? You want to spinning right way, this way. Or some people, some people also they spinning in opposite way. Only washing machine. Eh? Right way or what is called? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? First is also clockwise. How do I give this example? Clockwise. You see? Your machine put in this and clockwise is not?
Yes.
Left to right.
Yes.
Then again also cleaning and everything. Anti-clockwise. Again also this. But first is what? Why I am giving this? First anti-clockwise or clockwise? Clockwise. This way. Left to right. You notice or not? Everything is here also. Even this material world, Prithvi, also moving in this way. Right to left.
Yes.
Even according to the science also explain this. If you want to know science is saying, first is this. Not with this. Everything is here. So we are doing parikrama. Which way? This way. Clockwise. We do parikrama not this way. You can realize this. If you anti-clockwise do parikrama, then your brain, you feeling another feeling. Negative feeling will come.
Yes.
When you go to parikrama, this some have in park something place. Anti-clockwise you feeling another energy will come. If you clockwise, very nice. Understand? So we do Tulasi Parikrama, Guru Parikrama or Mandir Parikrama, anything. Which way? Clockwise. This way. Balavindavan behind. So all I am saying this way. Positive, then negative comes. Without positive. So we have ball everything, but very with the association of Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, then that is will come. We have, but on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambhit and Hladini will come. This is the process. Gaur Premanand. Jai. Okay, Mahaprasad ki jai. We are hungry ki jai. Okay? This is what? Check. Now 10 o'clock.